paintless dent repair, nobody gets those things fixed. All right? Ask me about paintless dent repair and why you should care.
What's paintless dent repair and why should I care?
Okay, Mark, good question. Mark, have you ever had the unfortunate opportunity to walk out of a church, restaurant, bar, shopping center and find that some son of a gun rudely had dinged or dented your vehicle?
Unfortunately, I have.
What did you do about it?
Said, oh shit, and got in the car.
You didn't Google nearest paintless dent repair facility near me? Okay. Mark, nobody does, all right? Any idea what it would cost to fix a ding or dent using the paintless dent repair process the size of a dime?
Can't say that I do.
50, 60 bucks. Okay, if it's a credit card size, which is about as big as they can fix using that process, it'd be about $150. Now, you didn't pay to have those fixed, but you did pay for those dings and dents. You know how?
Trade value.
When you traded the vehicle in, whether it was to us or anybody else, or if you sold it outright, if you sold it on Craigslist, when someone looks at the vehicle, they're going to count up the dings and the dents, and they're going to subtract the cost to repair those from the value of your vehicle. You'll be glad to know the Motor Trend certified vehicle you're purchasing from us comes with paintless dent repair. Complimentary for the first 6 months. During that period, we will fix how many dings or dents?
This with however many are within 2 visits.
An unlimited number of dings and dents for you using the paintless dent repair process. However, we're only going to give you 2 visits, so don't call the 800 number when you get your first ding or dent. Wait till you've got a couple of them, okay? And do you plan on keeping the car longer than 6 months?
Absolutely.
Most people do. Check with Dustin. He'll show you how you can extend that coverage out to 2, 3, 4, even 5 years. All right? Now, when would be the best time to create value in paintless dent repair, cosmetic wheel repair, key replacement?
During the trade walk.
How could we do that? Nick, hold on.